it's funny how you waltzed in here, assuming I'd come back. Well, let me tell you something, you are way off track. Can't you see I'm different? Or are you still that blind? No, you stand right there and take it. There's no love to hide behind. I am proud to tell you, I'm really feeling good. I'm doing so much better than you ever thought I would. Got my own place, my own space to think and dream and plan. Took me this long to realize I do not need a man. I used to need you, but then I finally learned. I used to want you, now the table's turned. I used to love you, now it's your time to scorn. 'Cause I'm saying goodbye, and I won't wait for your return.